Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add cyber light transition effect in CapCut PC and how you can combine with effect um, and make the awesome edit. Alright, so for example, I'm just going to select images to track, and you're just going to select transition and select disable light and light effect. So I'm just going to adjust the duration in 1 second, and previously I started the image duration in 2 seconds. So apply to all the clips, and I'm just going to combine with horizontal place video effect. This is horizontal place 2, and this is new pro effect from CapCut. You have to join pro to be able to use this effect. To the track and adjust the duration until finish the video. So this is the final effect you have on your video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.